about summer fashion style episode 1, and in this video I'm going to show you my 3 different styles based on summer season. And since it's episode 1, I'm going to come up with many more such episodes in the coming videos. So guys, that's there. And I feel that I sort of love-hate relationship with this summer season. You know why? Because as much as I love wearing crop tops, gungies, tube tops, shorts, I equally detest this, this humid climate. I mean, you always have the sweat dripping from your face and you have the sweaty armpits and whatnot. But the best part is that, you can sort of experiment with different styles. You can wear colorful clothes, easy, breezy, light, and be super comfortable, isn't it? Unlike winters wherein, you have to wear so many layers. So yeah guys, so in this video I've created 3 different styles based on my palazzo pants. And we all know that palazzo pants are super comfy. They do not require any introduction, right? And we prefer wearing palazzos during summer season, and we chuck aside our denims, right? Because then they stick to our legs and make us feel irritated all the time. So guys, keeping your comfort in mind, making sure that you equally look classy and gorgeous and fashionistas in your own ways. These styles are go-to styles which you can wear anywhere, be it your workplace, be it your college, without giving it a second thought. So guys, it's a win-win situation. आप अच्छे भी लगोगे और trendy भी लगोगे and आप comfortable भी रहोगे. So हमें और क्या चाहिए, right? So without any further ado, let's quickly dive into my video.
So yeah guys, in my first look I'm wearing this green camouflage palazzo pant, and I have teamed it up with my baby pink T-top, and this the color of this tee goes well with my palazzo pant because it also has a tinge of baby pink color here and there. And yeah, so as far as its back is concerned, it's equally classy. It has a bow back and a very nice fit. So guys, अगर आपके पास कोई ऐसे loose palazzo pant है, so make it a point that you only team it up with some well-fitted tee or a top, right? So this is my first look for you guys. So guys, in my second look I'm wearing this black formal pant, and it has a front slit, and I've teamed it up with this off-shoulder waterfall top because it has a crisscross pattern. And just to break the monotony of black and white color, I'm wearing these earrings and also this Caudy lipstick because मुझे लगता है ये मेरे complexion पे बहुत अच्छे से जाता है. So guys, this look is absolutely comfortable. Seriously, I mean, these pants are super comfy, and so is this top. My arms are totally covered so that I won't even get tanned if I step out. And you can also wear a scarf around your neckline to cover it further. But I feel this look is totally good for an office look, or even if you are going to hang out with your friends. So this is my second look for you guys. So in my third and final look guys, I'm wearing this tangy orange pant and of course this off-white crop top. This look is for those who like splash of colors and like to play along with different shades. So you can see in this crop top some thread work is there, which is going well with my bottom pants, which are absolutely comfy and so summer friendly. And look at the back guys, this button back which makes it look so classy and so unique, isn't it? And these net flared sleeves. So guys, this is a perfect go-to summer look, I believe, and it is absolutely comfortable, and of course can be done on different occasions, right? Whether you're going out with your friends or going to office. So this is my third look for you guys.
So yeah guys, that was all in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. So guys, अगर आपको मेरी styles पसंद आई हो, so please don't forget to comment down below and let me know which is your favorite style and which style you would like to pick for yourself. And guys, please keep pouring in your love and like, share and subscribe. You know the drill, right? And every single comment, every like matters to me. It means so much more to me and it means the whole world. So guys, I'm 40 videos old now and I'm pretty much excited and to go far ahead in this journey and to explore so much more. I know I'm amateur, I make a lot of mistakes, but I feel my content is my content somewhere is substantial. My content does have a substance, and अगर एक भी इंसान या if couple of people are able to engage with my video, I feel so much touched. But guys, without your support, I won't be able to grow myself. I won't be able to, come up with more content, because this encouragement, this boost is needed so much more, right? To keep me going. So मैं आपसे ये request करती हूँ, please support करिए, please like, share and subscribe करिए. अगर आपने नहीं किया है, hit the bell button down there so that you get notified every time I upload a video. And I'll see you very soon with yet another video of mine. And guys, अगर आपके पास कोई suggestions हैं तो please share करिए. अगर आपको कोई video अब देखना है किसी niche पे, या कोई आपको fashion related content चाहिए, skin related, anything, please feel free to share and let me know so that I can film my videos, my upcoming videos accordingly. I'll see you very soon. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye. God bless you and I love you so much. Bye bye.